Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create email in Bluehost. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Bluehost control panel and from here click on advanced. Now scroll down to email section and then click on email accounts. Here you will find all the emails that are already created on your hosting account. In order to create a new email, just click on create button. Put your username here. I will put admin. Please note that if you have only one domain, then it will be automatically selected. But if you have more than one domains, then you will have to select the domain for which you are going to create an email account. Now enter your password. You can also generate the password from here. And after that, click on create button. That's it. You have successfully created an email account on Bluehost. If you want to change anything regarding this account, just click on manage button and from here you can change your password, current storage usage, or you can allocate new storage space to your email account. So basically you can do all the settings regarding your emails from the manage section. So now we are going to see how we can check emails of this account. So in order to check the emails, just click on check email button and from here click on open. So this is the inbox of our email and we will receive all the emails on this email account here. So this is how you can create email account in Bluehost. Thank you so much for watching the video.